Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, you're looking at a live chart. It's a live trade, or hopefully a live trade, at 139.41 on Celgene. This is a level that was given out to my traders this morning before the market opened. And what we're looking for is for the stock to reach 139.41 and have a price reaction in the other direction. This is what the gap trading or the morning gap trades are all about. There it is. Okay, I'm not in yet. I have not been filled. 139.40. There we go. Now I'm filled. Okay, so we should see this stock bounce higher off this level. This is a high probability level. It's a high probability price level where the stock should have a reaction upward. And here we go, in the other direction. This is what traders learn in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. What they learn is how to calculate these levels. They learn why this works. They learn why these price levels exist and why stocks, if they reach certain price levels, will have a price reaction in the other direction. At times, you'll see these stocks run for these price levels like a magnet, like we saw Celgene do today. And look where Celgene closed yesterday, up at around $146.50. The stock was gapping lower at the open, traded lower, and here we go. Here's the bounce we're looking for. I'm looking to sell the stock. In fact, I have to put an order in while I'm talking. I forgot to put the order in, so bear with me a second. Okay, so I've got the order in at 139.91. I'm looking for a clean 50 cents out of this trade. We should get it. The stock should be up over $140 a share. It should get more than I'm looking for. I'm looking for the minimum profit target on this trade. Why? Because I'm making a video and I'm distracted and I got a lot of other things going on. But what I teach traders in the course is how to get the most out of these trades. There's an entire video module on how to turn trades like this into longer-term day trades rather than just a scalp trade. And at times, we'll get $2, $3, $4 out of these trades at times. Not all the time, but sometimes we do. And I teach traders how to take advantage of those particular trades. So you can see Celgene has found a balance down here at around $139.50. So it's going back and forth, but we should get a pop higher. It just takes a minute or two sometimes. I've only been in the trade for like a couple of minutes. So I'm going to give it a few minutes and we should get the stock back up near 140. It should be pretty easy for them to do that with this stock. Traders learn why this works. That's the most important thing, because when traders understand why stocks will trade to certain levels and why they'll have a price reaction in the other direction, it gives them a confidence for the trade. It takes some of the guesswork, or a lot of the guesswork, away, and it takes a lot of the anxiety away from the trade. It takes a lot of the emotion away from the trade. That's what traders are looking for. Here we go. 139.85. Come on. I need one more little pop higher to get my 139.91, and I'll be out of the trade. We just need one more push higher, and we should get it. These take a couple of minutes. Sometimes they happen within a minute. Sometimes they take 5 or 10 minutes. But generally speaking, they don't take a lot longer than that, and we don't like them to take longer. The longer it takes, the longer a stock would hover down at this level, the lower it's going to want to go. So we want to see a quick bounce off these levels, and we're starting to get it here. So I'm pretty confident I'm going to get my number, and I've already, here we go. There you go. So I'm out of the trade. We got 139.97, I believe, was the high so far. This stock should trade higher. What they generally will do is now come back and retrace a part of this little tail candle that developed, and then they'll send the stock higher one more time. Here comes the retrace. It just happens over and over and over again. These are all the things that are taught in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. Most importantly, I teach traders how to calculate these specific price levels so that they can do this for themselves each and every day. On the specific stocks, I teach which stocks this works the best with. What are the criteria we're looking for? How much of a gap higher or lower are we looking for? And how do you calculate the specific price level where a stock will have a price reaction in the other direction? That's the most important component, and it's obviously taught in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. All right, I'm out of the trade. I'm going to wrap the video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching a live trade. I get asked for live trades a lot, but sometimes I just forget to record them or they take too long. But this one worked out great. So I appreciate everybody tuning in. I'm David Frost. If you want to know more about this strategy, come over to lazygaptrader.com. I can teach you everything you want to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. David Frost, thanks for tuning in, folks.